winter, spring, summer, autumn. Months: December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Plant: hole, seed, cover, water, grow, flower.
Wendy, what are you doing?
It's spring. I'm planting some flowers. I always plant flowers in March.
Can I help?
Okay. Make a small hole. Put the seed in the hole, then cover it and water it.
This is fun. Now what do we do?
Well, we wait for summer. The small seeds grow into big flowers in the summer. Tom, don't do that. That's your new car.
But I want it to grow into a big car.
Catch: gardening, skiing, horse riding, wet.
Hey Wendy, why are you in the garden?
It's spring. I'm gardening. I like spring because I like gardening.
I don't like spring. It's windy. I like summer because I like swimming. I don't like swimming. My cap! Help!
Run! Catch it! Jump!
Oh no! I'm wet. But you like swimming, Eddie. Ha ha ha.
He likes sailing. He doesn't like playing soccer. He doesn't like horse riding. He doesn't like gardening. He likes swimming. He likes skiing.
Does Eddie like sailing?
Yes, he does.
Does Eddie like playing soccer?
No, he doesn't.
Does Eddie like horse riding?
No, he doesn't.
Does Eddie like gardening?
No, he doesn't.
Does Eddie like swimming?
Yes, he does.
Does Eddie like skiing?
Yes, he does.
Dear Sabrina, my name's Cindy. I'm 9 years old and I'm from London. I've got blonde hair and green eyes. I like listening to music and dancing. I like horse riding too. I like dogs very much. I've got a dog. Her name is Jessie. I like eating pizza and ice cream, but I don't like cooking. Do you? Write and tell me what you like. Best wishes, Cindy.